Hey yo guys, samahan niyo ako as we visit DinoCon PH that happened over this Saturday. And it's brought to us by Kids Company. And marami actually activities dito. May art dito, pwede rin gumawa ng mga demo or mga bricks, mga Lego. Meron din kami tabletop games na related sa dinosaurs, particularly sa Jurassic World and Jurassic Park. And syempre may mga panel din sila na in-invite to talk about their collection and collecting in general, which was a really fun thing. And alam mo, kahit konti lang yung umattend in the first, maganda pa rin yung learnings na na-pick up mo dito sa event na to.
Diba? So, dapat yung tutulong ko sa kanya na, dito ka mag-PO pa sa gantong store kasi dito, kahit mag-PO. Pero bakit ganito? May mga nag-aaway, para dyan, na nakikita ko naman siya. Pero para sa akin, kasi ako naman, kung may new collector ako na-meet, welcome ko siya. Tapos tutulong ko sa kanya kung sa store. So, parang, like, paano makakuha ng discount, like, yung mag-earn ka ng may stamp card, di ba, gano'n, dito sa store
walang gatekeeping.
Wala gatekeeping. Yung mga kung ano yung natutunan ko, kasi nung siya...
And Doc Ronnie.
Hello everyone! Welcome to Dinosaur at DinoCon PH 2025. This is the first ever in the Philippines. Kauna-una po itong Toy-Con na dinosaur-related
Dino-themed convention.
Yes, it's the first time. So, kung meron kayong, if you want to join us, you can join us at Dinosaur Collectors Philippines on Facebook.
Yeah.
We will approve you. If you're a dino enthusiast, kahit na hindi kayo,
Hardcore, no? Yung mga, yung alam nyo lang yung Mattel or yung ano,
any toys pwede po, basta dinosaur related.
kahit Funko.
Kahit na hindi po kayo paleontologist or paleoartist, you're welcome.
Of course, meron din showcase ng mga collections. As you can see here, they put it in a separate room, pero it's still a nice place to look at the other collectors' collections, including this one. This is the one I really, really liked, which is the Ultimate T-Rex, apparently. And sobrang laki niya. I actually want to get one of those. And ang good thing about the collectors and the community here is that kahit anong collection mo, it's welcome. So kahit hindi Mattel, hindi specifically kahit may Funko Pops ka dyan, as you can see here, welcome ka dito. You can display, you can sign up, and you can just, show off your collection, your price pieces and things like that. So, may Lego pa nga ako nakita eh. So, all in all, maganda yung experience for collectors, for fans, and for people who want to get into the hobby of collecting or buying Jurassic World, and not just Jurassic World, Jurassic Park, but also just dinosaur collections, dinosaur toys in general. So this is DinoCon was a fun experience, syempre. I'm just going to show you more clips here. And syempre, meron ding mga toys for sale, as you can see here, and it's available through the Kids Company website and through the Kids Company Shopee page. Ang dami nila. And the best part is, meron ding mga discounted ones that were actually up to 50% off. Pero it's hindi siya on brand ng Jurassic World, pero it's still dinosaur figures. So it's pretty good. Ayan, I'm gonna show you here. Ayan yung mga dinosaurs na on 50% off for that day lang ha. And then there were also discounts available for buyers who showed up sa DinoCon. And then meron din tayo mga Godzilla versus Kong products. There's a little bit of stretch, pero syempre, it's still monsters, it's still creatures. Fun stuff, actually. And actually, gusto ko nga yung King Kong dyan eh. Pero babalikan ko yan soon. And then, ayun, syempre, hindi mawawala ang Hot Wheels and Matchbox toys. So, ayun nga, one day lang ang DinoCon, pero hopefully we will be getting that in the next years or so. Sana mas malaki. Pero as it stands, maganda yung setup. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed going there. Medyo malayo lang, pero maganda naman yung place, yung venue. Hopefully, mas malaki siya next year, as I was saying kanina. And then, for more details, or if you want to connect with other collectors, visit Dinosaur Philippines Collectors on Facebook. And then syempre, i-like nyo na lang din si Kids Company where you can get your Jurassic World Rebirth merch and other stuff too. So, ayun. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!